Today at Bellmetric, we're going to show you how to use a stud installation tool. It can also be used to install hanger bolts. To best understand how it works, we're going to take one apart. Inside, you can see there are 3 rollers retained in a cage. The rollers will bind up against the machine threads once you begin to turn in either direction. The tool will release the threads when the pressure is removed. It can be used using various tools. This is how you install a stud using a wrench. This is how you install a hanger bolt with a ratchet. These tools can be found on our website